Good day, everyone. In this lesson, we will be talking about the properties of matter. Our objective is to observe the pattern that takes up space and has properties. Pattern means something that is repeated on an object. Physical properties of matter. When we say physical property, it means something that can be observed with the senses. The use of senses means the use of eyes, nose, mouth, hands, or ears to perceive things. So we will be observing using these parts of our body. Matter is anything that takes up space, such as milk, pen, or balloons. To identify physical properties of matter, we will be using a lot of adjective words to describe things. First is the size. We can describe a matter as small or large, or we can also use the words few or many. For shape, we can use the words circular or rectangular, even spherical to describe things. Hardness, we can use soft or hard to describe things. We can also describe an object through its flexibility. Does it bend or not? We can also describe the physical property of matter through its color. Is it pink, blue, or purple? And finally, the texture. How does it feel when you touch it? Is it fluffy, fuzzy, smooth, or rough? Now let's describe the properties of matter in water. What is the color of this water? Is it white or yellow? It is colorless because there is an absence of color in it. Now, what is the shape of this water? Is there a particular shape of the water? Is it rectangle, circle, or square? There is none because water follows the shape of the container. In this instance, it follows the shape of the glass. And texture. Does water have a texture? Water does not have a texture. Let's check out the properties of matter in these blocks. What are the colors of these blocks? Yes, we have yellow, blue, red, and white. Then what is the shape of these blocks? Yes, you're right. Their shape is rectangular prism. For the hardness, is it soft or hard? In this case, these particular blocks are soft and squishy. It means you can squash it and returns to its original shape. And how is the texture? Is it smooth, rough, or lumpy? Always remember that when you are identifying the properties of matter, ask what color is it? For the hardness, is the object soft or hard? What's the texture? What shape is it? How is the flexibility? Does it bend or not? And what is its size? To wrap up this lesson, how is all matter alike? All matter is the same because it takes up space and has properties. That's all for today. Good job, everyone.